Hi, it's Virginia Lazenby with Seniors Living Smarter. Glad to have you joining us again. We enjoy these video visits and hope they're providing valuable information to you. Today's topic, and again in response to a commonly asked question, moving is just too much, downsizing is too much, how can I simplify it? Well, actually, there are lots of things that I could recommend, but I want to zero in on one thing today. I want to encourage you to really be thinking about, what do I need to take with me to my new residence? Yes, there's lots of stuff that's not going with you, but right now, let's focus on what is going with you and what influences that decision. Number one, as you're looking at what you want to take with you, really think seriously about your new lifestyle. Are you going to be entertaining 6 or 8 people in your apartment? Probably not. So do you need all the serving utensils? Do you need 3 crock pots? How can you minimize, be realistic about what you're going to need? If you have a meal plan, you will not need to take as many cooking utensils and so on. If you're moving into an apartment where there is no meal plan, yes, you're going to need to be prepared for that. But being realistic about where you are moving is very important, and being realistic about the space. You know, I laugh when I see people who've done floor plans for their new apartment. They know what furniture they want to take, and they arrive with the right amount of furniture. But somehow, often people think I can take everything in all of my closets and linen closets and cabinets, and consequently arrive with way too much stuff, tripping over boxes and taking too long to get settled in. So we can deal with that in another topic. But I want you, as you're thinking about this, again, it depends on your timing. Is your move imminent? Are you just looking to the future? But still, you can be thinking, what will I need to take with me? Being realistic again about your lifestyle and your space. Yes, we need to deal with the stuff that you won't be taking, but that's a whole nother topic for another video visit. So I hope this is helpful. Please feel free to reach out if we can provide more information to you, and happy downsizing.